What are you smiling at?
Peeking behind the curtain. I'm just curious how the FBI goes about its business when it's not kicking indoors.
You're lucky we're not doing house-to-house interviews. We found a little piece of metal in Elise Nichols' clothes, a shred from a pipe threader.
Must be hundreds of construction sites all over Minnesota.
A certain kind of metal, certain kind of pipe, certain kind of pipe coating, so we're checking all the construction sites that use that kind of pipe.
What are we looking for?
At this stage, anything, really, but mostly anything peculiar.
Two fellas from the FBI. They're going through the drawers now. Mm-hmm. Putting papers in file boxes. Yes, they are taking things. No. Well, they didn't say. Yes, they can. What did you say your names were?
Garrett Jacob Hobbs?
He's one of our pipe threaders. Those are all the resignation letters. Plumbers Union requires them whenever members finish a job. I'll call you back.
Does Mr. Hobbs have a daughter?
Might have.
18 or 19, wind-chafed, plain but pretty. She'd have auburn hair, about this tall.
Maybe, I don't know. I don't keep company with these people.
What is it about Garrett Jacob Hobbs you find so peculiar?
Left a phone number, no address.
And therefore he has something to hide.
The others all left addresses. They also missed work for days at a time. You have an address for Mr. Hobbs?